In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Gmail on your desktop using the convenient QR code login method. This approach is particularly helpful if you have a two-step verification enabled on your account or simply want a quicker way to access your Gmail without typing in your password every time. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary details to successfully complete your login. So let's dive in. The first step is to open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com on your computer. This is where our Gmail login journey begins. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, type it in carefully, and click the next button. This step gets us ready to explore the QR code option if your account requires additional security layers like two-step verification. Now, if your account indeed has two-step verification enabled, you might notice an option that says use your phone to sign in. This is a newer and more secure way to handle login credentials. Instead of following the traditional method of entering a password, go ahead and click the option that says use your phone instead. At this point, a QR code will appear on your screen, signifying the next phase of our login process. Let's prepare your phone to interact with this QR code. Take out your smartphone and launch either the Gmail app or the Google app. It's crucial here to double check that you're signed into the same Google account on your phone as the one you're trying to access on your computer. This ensures a seamless connection between your devices. With the app open on your phone, tap on your profile picture to access your account settings. From there, navigate to the Manage Accounts option and select the choice to scan QR code. On some devices, you may directly see Sign in with QR code, which simplifies the process even further. Now, using your phone's camera, you'll scan that QR code displayed on your computer screen. Simply hold your phone up to your screen, and in just moments, it should recognize the code. Finally, the last step involves a quick security confirmation. On your phone, you should see a prompt asking if it's actually you trying to log in, usually phrased as "Yes, it's me" or "Approve sign in." Go ahead and confirm your identity with a tap. This final step secures your access, and voila, your PC should automatically log you into Gmail. And that's how easily you can log into Gmail on your desktop using a QR code in your smartphone. This method is not only secure but also speeds up the login process by making use of technology you carry with you all the time, your phone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Gmail experience even better.